Nature's beauty is miraculous. Nature provides us free of charge food, climate, water, nutrients, medicine, and fibers. The insects, fish, birds, and animals depend on the blessings that nature provides. We cannot take nature for granted. It is our duty to protect those gifts that nature provides. Let's enjoy the blue sunny skies, the gray silver skies with its clouds ready to burst into rain. We are thankful for the rain that fills the lake and that creates the lushness and growth and food that are for the animals' needs to be able to survive. Let's be thankful. Let's make a conscious effort to protect nature. We must protect nature so that we all can continue enjoying its fruits. Let's look at the wonders of nature, of its beautiful colors, of its variety of animals, of its variety of greenery, its variety of all of the beautiful things that we experience every day because of nature. Let's not take it for granted. Let's not destroy it. Let's protect it. Protect its beauty. Protect everything about this earth that we've been blessed to be on. Be thankful to the good Lord for everything that is given to us, of all God's blessings and all God's unlimited love. Let's continue to enjoy it all. Let's appreciate it. This is our life. This is our earth.